To get Kucoin in the US, you need to understand the current regulatory environment and the steps required to access this cryptocurrency exchange. Kucoin is a global cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of digital assets, but it is not available to U.S. residents due to regulatory restrictions. First, you need to understand that Kucoin is not registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which means it is not allowed to operate in the U.S. However, there are ways to access Kucoin from the US using a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN allows you to mask your IP address and access the internet from a different location, making it appear as if you are accessing Kucoin from a country where it is allowed. To get started, you need to download and install a VPN on your device. There are many VPN providers available, and you should choose one that is reputable and has servers in countries where Kucoin is allowed. Once you have installed the VPN, you need to connect to a server in a country where Kucoin is available, such as Singapore or Japan. Next, you need to create an account on Kucoin. Go to the Kucoin website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your email address and password. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. After creating your account, you need to verify your identity. Kucoin requires users to complete Know Your Customer or KYC verification to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will be asked to provide some identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. Once you have verified your account, you can deposit funds into your Kucoin account. Kucoin supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and cryptocurrencies. You can also buy cryptocurrencies directly on the platform using a credit card or other payment methods. Finally, you can start trading on Kucoin. The platform offers a wide range of trading pairs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. You can also use the Kucoin mobile app to trade on the go. In conclusion, getting Kucoin in the US requires some extra steps due to regulatory restrictions. By using a VPN and following the steps outlined above, you can access Kucoin and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always use a reputable VPN provider and follow best practices to secure your account and protect your funds.